Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into crypto in 2025, knowing how to move your assets smoothly is key. Today, we're breaking down how to withdraw Tether, USDT, from Uphold to Bitrue. This process is straightforward, but with evolving regulations and platform updates, we'll cover the latest steps to keep you safe and efficient. Why does this matter? Tether is a stablecoin that's essential for quick trades, and transferring it between exchanges like Uphold and Bitrue can help you take advantage of better fees or opportunities. Let's jump right in. First things first, ensure you have verified accounts on both Uphold and Bitrue. Start by logging into your Uphold account using your credentials. Once you're in, head to your dashboard and locate your Tether balance. Click on it to open the asset details. Next, select the Withdraw option. You'll see a form where you need to choose the withdrawal method. For this, go with the external wallet transfer. Now, enter your Bitrue wallet address. Double-check this to avoid any costly mistakes. Bitrue will provide you with a specific USDT deposit address, so copy that accurately from your Bitrue account. Specify the amount of Tether you want to withdraw, keeping in mind any minimum limits or network fees, which might vary in 2025 due to blockchain updates. Uphold often uses networks like Tron or Ethereum for USDT, so confirm the network matches what Bitrue supports to prevent failed transactions. After entering the details, review everything carefully. Hit confirm, and you'll likely need to verify this through email or two-factor authentication for security. Once approved, the transfer should process within minutes to a few hours, depending on network congestion. A quick tip: always monitor your transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan if you're using Ethereum-based USDT. Common pitfalls include mismatched networks or incorrect addresses, so stay vigilant. In 2025, with more advanced security features, make sure your accounts are updated. There you have it. That's how to withdraw Tether from Uphold to Bitrue in 2025. If you follow these steps, you'll be trading like a pro. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped. Subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there and happy trading.